Welcome to House Lux Estate, the channel where we explore a myriad of topics that pique your curiosity. Today, we're diving into a subject that's close to the hearts of many: teaching. We'll be uncovering the top 10 things you need to know before stepping into the world of teaching. Whether you're considering a career shift or have always dreamt of shaping the minds of the next generation, this video is your go-to guide. From understanding the true essence of teaching to the challenges and rewards that come with it, we'll provide a comprehensive view of this noble profession. We promise that by the end of this video, you'll have a clearer vision of what it truly means to be a teacher. So, are you ready to embark on this enlightening journey? Stay tuned as we count down the top 10 things you need to know before stepping into the world of teaching. Kicking off our list at number 10, teaching is more than just a job. Yes, you heard that right. It's a calling, a commitment that goes beyond the confines of a typical 9 to 5. As a teacher, you're not just imparting knowledge, you're shaping the future. That requires an emotional investment that can't be measured in hours or paychecks. It's about passion, about believing in the potential of every student who walks into your classroom. You see, when the bell rings at the end of the school day, your work isn't done. You're grading papers, planning lessons, thinking about how to reach that one student who's struggling. You're emotionally invested, celebrating their successes, and feeling their setbacks. Teaching requires an enduring commitment to the journey of learning. So, if you're looking for a typical 9 to 5 job, teaching might not be for you. At number 9, we have the importance of patience. As a teacher, you'll encounter students of all backgrounds and abilities. Each one is unique, with their own set of strengths and weaknesses, their own pace of learning, and their own way of understanding the world. Patience, therefore, becomes more than just a virtue. It's the key that unlocks the door to effective teaching. It allows you to understand that not all students will grasp concepts at the same speed, and that's perfectly okay. It helps you maintain a calm and composed demeanor even when things don't go as planned. It encourages you to give students the time and space they need to grow, to make mistakes, and to learn from them. The realm of teaching is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about guiding students on their journey of learning, not rushing them through it. Remember, patience is not just a virtue. In teaching, it's a necessity. Coming in at number 8, the role of creativity. Creativity isn't just for arts and crafts, it's a crucial component in the world of teaching. You see, when we talk about creativity in this context, it's not just about coming up with fun and colorful lesson plans. It's about thinking outside the box, finding unique ways to present information that will engage students and make the learning process enjoyable and memorable. Think about it. The same information, when delivered in a creative, engaging way, can turn a mundane topic into something fascinating. As a teacher, you have the chance to bring subjects to life, to make history feel like an adventure, to turn math problems into exciting puzzles. So, dear future educators, don't underestimate the power of your creativity. It's a tool, a weapon even, in your arsenal. As a teacher, your creativity will often be the spark that ignites a love for learning in your students. At number 7, we have constant learning. Teaching is a profession that demands continuous growth. Just as we expect our students to learn and evolve, teachers too must commit to the same principle. It's not just about teaching, it's about learning new methods, adapting to changes in the curriculum, and staying updated with the latest educational trends. Professional development is the cornerstone of this never-ending journey. Attending workshops, enrolling in courses, or even engaging in peer learning sessions can significantly enhance your teaching strategies. Remember, the more you learn, the more you empower your students. Moreover, constant learning keeps your passion ignited. It's a beautiful cycle, really. You learn, you impart that knowledge, you see your students grow, and it fuels your desire to learn even more. In teaching, the learning never stops. You're not just a teacher, but a lifelong student. At number 6, we have the significance of empathy. Empathy, the ability to understand and share the feelings of others, is a vital trait for any teacher. It's about more than just sympathizing with students. It's about stepping into their shoes and seeing the world from their perspective. When you, as a teacher, exhibit empathy, you communicate to your students that their experiences and emotions matter. You show them that they are seen, heard, and valued. This understanding can make a significant difference in a student's life, especially in times of struggle or confusion. Empathy also enables you to tailor your teaching methods to suit the varying needs of your students, making education more accessible and enjoyable for everyone. Remember, Each student is a unique individual with their own set of experiences and emotions. Empathy can be the bridge that connects you to your students and fosters a supportive learning environment. It's a powerful tool that can transform your classroom and the lives of your students. We're halfway through our list. At number 5, we have the impact of a teacher. The influence of a teacher extends far beyond the confines of the classroom. You see, a teacher does more than just impart knowledge. They shape minds, build character, and inspire dreams. They can ignite a love for learning that lasts a lifetime, and their words can echo in a student's mind for years, even decades to come. Teachers also play a crucial role in a student's personal growth. They can be a confidant, a role model, a guiding light in times of uncertainty. They can help build resilience, instill confidence, and nurture a student's unique talents. The impact of a teacher can be profound, lasting, and life-changing. Whether it's helping a struggling student improve or pushing a gifted student to reach new heights, a teacher's influence can be the catalyst for extraordinary change. Never underestimate the power of a good teacher. You have the potential to change lives. At number 4, we have the challenges of the profession. Teaching is a role filled with both joy and hardship. A significant part of the journey is navigating through the hurdles that come with the territory. Let's talk about workload. Teachers don't clock out when the school bell rings. Grading papers, planning lessons, and parent-teacher meetings often extend into evenings and weekends. It's a commitment that goes beyond the standard 40-hour work week. Stress is another challenge. The responsibility of shaping young minds can be overwhelming. Teachers often find themselves juggling multiple tasks simultaneously, from managing a classroom to addressing individual student needs. Dealing with difficult situations is also part of the job. Whether it's resolving conflicts between students, handling behavioral issues, or navigating tricky parent-teacher dynamics, these situations require a delicate balance of diplomacy, patience, and firmness. Being a teacher is not always easy, but overcoming these challenges can be one of the most rewarding aspects of the job. Coming in at number 3, we have the rewards of the profession. Teaching is not just about imparting knowledge. It's about witnessing the fruits of your labor as you see your students grow and succeed. There's a certain magic in watching a student's face light up when they finally understand a difficult concept, or when they come to you, beaming with pride with a test well done. Imagine the satisfaction of knowing that you played a part in shaping the minds of the next generation. You're not just teaching them math or history, you're teaching them life skills, empathy, and the courage to dream big. And let's not forget the sense of community you build. The bonds you form with your students and colleagues can last a lifetime. Yes, teaching has its fair share of challenges, but it's these rewarding moments, these little victories, that make it all worthwhile. Despite its challenges, teaching is a profession filled with rewarding moments that make it all worthwhile. At number 2, we have the need for flexibility. If there's one thing you can count on in the world of teaching, it's that no 2 days will be the same. In fact, no 2 lessons will be the same. This is because every day presents new challenges and opportunities that require you to be adaptable. One moment you may be explaining a complex theory, and the next, you could be consoling a student who's having a rough day. You may have planned a lesson down to the last detail, only to find that your students are struggling to grasp the concept, forcing you to think on your feet and change your approach. Or maybe a spontaneous question from a student takes the lesson in a completely new direction. These are the moments that call for flexibility. It's about being able to adjust your plans, your methods, and even your mindset at a moment's notice. In teaching, flexibility isn't just an asset, it's a requirement. And finally, at number 1, we have the love for teaching. This isn't merely a fondness for the subject matter or an appreciation for the profession. It's a deep, unshakable passion that keeps you going, even on the toughest days. It's the spark that lights up your eyes when you talk about your favorite lesson plan, the enthusiasm that bubbles up when a student finally grasps a concept they've been struggling with. It's the love that makes you go the extra mile, spend the extra hour, give the extra bit of yourself, because you're not just teaching subjects, you're shaping minds, molding futures, and leaving an impact that lasts a lifetime. And that's a responsibility that should be taken up only by those who truly love it. So if you're considering a career in teaching, ask yourself, do I love this enough? Because at the end of the day, the most important thing you need to know before becoming a teacher is that you must love what you do. And there you have it, the top 10 things you need to know before becoming a teacher. We've covered the significance of understanding that teaching is more than just a job, it's a calling. The importance of patience, creativity, constant learning, and empathy can't be overstated. We've also delved into the profound impact a teacher can have, not just on their students, but on society as a whole. We've discussed the challenges that come with the profession, but also the immense rewards that make it all worthwhile. The need for flexibility in this role is crucial, as each day is different, and each student is unique. And finally, we've explored the love for teaching, the passion that drives educators to do what they do. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to House Lux Estate for more insightful content. Until next time.